So my name is Moira and I am the president of Explo, otherwise known as Exploration, outside the Boston area.
My name is Dave Hamilton. I am the creative director for Exploration summer programs in Boston, Massachusetts.
And we've been running summer programs for more than 40 years. And in the last few years, we started working with nonprofit organizations and schools to basically bring the Explo DNA to other parts of the world.
At Exploration, we try to set up situations where students are encouraged to explore the world around them and meet new people and work on projects with those people and just be curious and have the chance to be curious and learn through that process. We brought a project to Agastya that we run with students in the United States. The approach that Agastya has is very similar to the approach that Exploration has in terms of what we want students to do and how we want them to approach learning. We try and set up challenges and projects that allow kids to explore the world around them in new and exciting ways. One of the ways that we like to do that is through games that are based on real-world problems. We got a chance to work with the teachers, and the way that you approach teacher training I think is very innovative. I think it's exactly what teachers need. You're giving them tools, you're teaching them how to use those tools, and then you're empowering them to be able to take those tools back to their classroom. And I think the same is true of the way that you work with students. I think the fact that the approach is very similar is perfect. I think that students come in here, they know they're going to be excited when they arrive, they get in and they dive right into these projects and they're excited about the projects and they want to show them off and they're proud of their work. And I think that's something that we want for all of our students. So I think you set up just beautiful facilities to do exactly the right kind of education. Stand up, don't touch your model. Stand up, and before you stand up, we're just going to do a walk around. I want you to see, how did people solve this problem already? What are other teams doing? I want to share some ideas. So stand up. If it's not working, that's okay. Stand up, just do a quick walk around and see, how did other people solve the problem? I mean, one of the things that we talk about a lot is there's a tendency in education to have answers that are right or wrong, or that you have to own all the knowledge, and so that sometimes comes across as, let's not make it look like cheating. So you don't want to share your work with other people, and we want you to be able to share your work with other people, because sharing your work with other people is how you're going to get through the rest of your life. I was blown away by how good the kids were at engaging with the challenge, being willing to participate in the challenge, wanting to take the most difficult path through that challenge and finding a way through that path. They were exceptional at working together, at trying and iterating a variety of different solutions. I think Agastya is just a terrific location. It's a beautiful site, first of all, and you can learn a lot simply by walking around the grounds.
I think what I am most impressed about with Agastya is that it's everyone who works here has a habit of mind and an attitude that creativity and collaboration and courage are all things that should be part of education. And I have just been really tremendously impressed by the innovation in thinking about the use of materials. And so I am so glad that I came, because there is so much that we can take back with our work, particularly with low-income schools and nonprofit organizations, back to the United States. And it's because we learned so much here at Agastya. So I'm glad that we're going to be doing some work together in the future.